Oxford Plastics product range is fully Chapter 8 and Red Book compliant. Street and highway works in the UK are stringently managed through these regulations. Chapter 8 and the Red Book outline all you need to know about setting up street works, including health and safety requirements, the materials road-facing products can be made from, ballasting requirements, and street works layouts. These detailed codes of practice are essential to the design and development of Oxford Plastics products and mean that they can be used confidently in street and highways works, facilities management, and on construction sites across the world. Strongwall. This heavy-duty barrier is an absolute must for live work sites. Add the plastic fence panel to create a 2-meter high anti-climb enhanced barrier system for deep site excavations. The high-visibility plastic construction is extremely easy to erect and forms a robust perimeter. Avalon barrier. Available in 3 sizes for ultimate flexibility, these strong, lightweight barriers fit together in seconds, are supplied with high-visibility anti-trip feet, and can be ballasted for winds up to 60 miles per hour. SafeGate manhole barrier system. This high-visibility portable gate barrier is designed for use around manhole covers and temporary excavations. The modular design allows for a range of configurations. It is lightweight and easily stored and can be used with safe bases for greater stability in high winds. Highwayman cones. The Highwayman cone is a 2-part high-visibility cone that is ideal for heavy traffic, motorway, contraflow, lane delineation, and parking management. The size of the cone varies, depending on the required application, making it the perfect solution for any street work scenario. Enduro-sign and ballast. Traffic signs are essential for active sites to alert and inform both drivers and pedestrians. These super durable road signs are manufactured from non-crack plastic. The intelligently designed system means they fold flat when not in use, and when used with the purpose-made ballast, they can withstand all that nature has to throw at them, meaning no more non-compliance fines for fallen over signage. Super Grip Ramp. Our anti-slide wheelchair and pedestrian curb ramps feature our patented Low Pro technology, allowing foot traffic to pass from the curb into the roadway, reducing unwanted movement and inspiring confidence in the user no matter what the conditions. Low Pro Trench Cover Systems. For routine utility works and mains replacements, we have a range of anti-slide Low Pro trench covers, which have been engineered for strength, durability, and practicality. Choose from 3 Low Pro trench covers to suit your application. Suitable for up to 3.5-ton vehicles and pedestrians, the Low Pro edges grip the asphalt, meaning pinning is rarely needed. And the purpose-made infills mean that a smooth, trip-free surface is maintained, allowing for expansion horizontally and vertically. The Oxford Plastics range of site safety products are made from virgin and recycled materials. They feature British standard reflective materials and are designed to minimise the risk of harm to pedestrians and vehicles alike. Together, they form the most comprehensive range of intelligently designed and engineered site safety products available anywhere, keeping the public and the workforce safe. At Oxford Plastics, we've got it covered.